how to open multiple animation previews in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have the 4 animation. So I open this one, double click, and open this animation. And now I want to open another one. And you will see we only have animation now. So I need to hold on Shift and double click. And you will see we have the 2 animation now. Also, you can add another animation. We hold on Shift and double click again. Also, you can add the many of the animations. Yeah, I think this is really convenient to see the animation details. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.